put in. What do you think? Float or sink? Sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, I'm gonna float.
Awesome!
It's a between sink and float. Look. What's gonna happen? Sink or float? This is sink and float. So you and me both win. Okay. Next is Kimiko. Next is a lemon. Okay, what do you think? Float or sink?
Mama.
Float or sink?
Sink.
Sink, and then mommy gonna float.
Float.
It's float.
Can I have a Lego bricks?
Lego block?
Yeah.
Lego. Okay, next is Lego block. What do you think? Sink or float? Float? Okay.
No,
do it.
sink.
Sink? Okay, do it. Then mommy going to float.
Float.
You said sink. Kimiko said sink. Oh, it's float!
Okay.
Kimiko wins.
Show the tree.
Next is a apple. What do you think? Sink or float?
Float.
Float? It's floating! It's float!
Show the tree. Tree.
Next is avocado. What do you think? Sink or float?
Float.
Float? Then mommy going to be sink. Okay? Gentle. Mommy wins! Sink! Okay. So next is potato. What do you think? Sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, I'm going to float. Really slowly. Gimme wheat! Sink! Sink. Okay, one more potato today. I did sweet potato. What do you think? Same like as normal potato, or we're going to float?
Float.
Float? Okay. Look, normal potato is sink, but sweet potato is float.
Yes.
Yeah. Next item is a
Chihuahua.
coffee.
I want to do myself.
Okay, this is going to be float or sink?
Sink.
Sink? Then mommy gonna think float. Mommy going to float.
Float.
What do you think? Floating or sinking?
Floating.
Floating, yes! They float.
And marker.
Marker? Okay.
And blue. On a balloon.
Uh-oh.
B is sinking. Poppy is floating. Okay. It's a crayon.
Yeah.
Sink or float? It's sinking.
Sink.
How about lead?
Myself.
Okay.
Sink.
Sink. Lead too. It's
Now
sink.
I want to do myself. Sink.
Green.
Yeah. Show the tree.
How about next one is squishy bottle. What do you think?
Float.
Float?
Awesome!
No? No?
I'm ready.
Blue? Are you really blue?
Yes.
Yes.
Now car.
Next is car. Next is car. Sink.
Sink.
Mommy gonna float.
Float and sink.
Mommy and sink both same time. Is this float or sink? It's sink. What do you say? Do you say sink? Kimiko in. Kimiko in.
Awesome!
Next is a ice cube. What do you say? Float or sink? Then Mommy thinks this is float. It's float! It's float! What do you think? Think?
Next thing.
Next word, okay. PlayDoh. This is PlayDoh. Okay,
How about you open for me?
okay. We're going to do a PlayDoh. What do you think? Sink or float?
Sink.
Sink? Okay. It's sink! It's sink. I thought it's gonna be float.
Awesome!
I wanted to
A ball?
big ball.
Float or sink?
Float.
Float. You're right. Ball is a float. This one.
Yes, paper.
Michael, what do you think? Float or sink?
Sink.
I'm thinking too, this is gonna float. Sink? Hey, look. What's going to happen? How is Panic on feel? Float. Fish. Sink or float?
Sink.
I think that's gonna be float.
Float.
Oh! It's gonna be sink, float, sink, float, float. Next is stone. What do you think? Sink or float?
Sink.
Sink. It's sink.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is magnetic
Next.
ball. Magnetic ball. What do you think? Sink or float?
Sink.
Okay, go. It's sink. How about sponge? Sink or float?
Float.
Yes, it's float.
Next.
And next we're going to do coin. Float or sink?
Sink.
Sink. Next is cherries. What do you think? Float or cherries? Sink.
Float.
Float? Okay, let's do it. Say
No,
one,
not.
2, 3. Paper. Next is paper. What do you think? Float or sink?
Float.
And mommy think that's gonna be sink. Let's wait. Let's wait to see what's gonna happen. Come here. Push. Push. It's going to starting to sink. Look, it's sink. Okay, over the head.